Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of doing things to your car that it's absolutely not necessary, but it's going to make it nice. Or, as others will say, what the hell have you done? Anyhow, I decided today to put some of one of these decals in front of my vet. I figured it's very boring. It's all red. You don't really see anything. I'm gonna try these black ones that I bought to cover or to fill these the letters in here, and see what how is it going to look. I already did the back side. Actually, yeah, the back side is already done. I didn't do it. It came with the car, just to see what the back looks like. I love it. It looks really nice. It pops. And I believe these are from the factory. But I figured, what the hell? Let's do the front. Make it all look the same. And I think it's going to look nice. I hope. That's why I'm making this video. If it does, hey, you guys may want to give it a shot. I already cleaned it. Make sure you clean it. It's just the glue. I'm going to glue it back in. These letters. And I bought this online. Had some kind of good reviews, but I don't know. It just depends, I guess, how you put it on and what the end result's going to be. So, also comes with some alcohol pad. Ooh. So I'm just gonna, as I mentioned, I already cleaned it, but I'm gonna do it with alcohol a little bit. And also, this is the kit. Instructions are at the back. It's not red, it's black. I gotta peel off the gray covers. And the black side is the M3, I think, glue or sticker or sticking thingy. Anyhow, so remove white gray protective tape to see original finish. We're gonna do that soon. I'm gonna clean with the alcohol wipe, put the camera down, and check this out. Man, what a tiny alcohol patch. Good lord. It's like they couldn't add a little bit more or make the pad bigger. And inflation. Everything is getting smaller and more expensive. Oops. It is alcohol. I smell it. So that's good. Next, man, these all right, let's see what we have here. I don't want to waste your time, but I'm going to put all these letters together. I hope they are the right size, but I will peel off the gray sticker, put them all together, see what we are dealing with here. Be right back. All right, so apparently they have two sizes. I guess there is a large size for the back and the smaller size for the front. Honestly, they're not the best quality, but you be the judge. You tell me how does it looking, or how is it going to look. So for now, I'm just gonna continue taking off these covers and the covers for the glue on the back. And this is not that difficult. Anybody can do it, honestly. So just make sure it's really clean here, otherwise it's not gonna stick. It's already not sticking. Carbon fiber towel. Always use a carbon fiber towel. I have a feeling, I don't know about the glue. It's not sticking that well. I have a feeling once you drive it's gonna fly off. You put the O on. And that's pretty much it's a simple process. I will put all the letters on and come back with the end result, and you guys tell me if it's looking good or if I should take it off, burn it, get something different. Ladies and gentlemen, well, it looks okay. It looks okay. The problem is, unfortunately, the glue is not the best. It's not sticking that well, and I missed this little last piece, but I was just going to show you guys what it looks like. It's all right. It's okay, but I wish the glue was much stronger. Some corners are coming off. I have to, like here, I have to take it off, put a little bit of a crazy glue or Gorilla Glue and put it back on. And also this piece comes out, just so you know, but I just didn't feel like taking it out. Overall, I would give it a 3. I wish the glue was stronger a little bit. Just gonna do the last piece right here. And I've been looking for these type of things, these decals or stickers all over the place. Unfortunately, they don't. Not too many sellers have these on Amazon or eBay, especially for the front license plate. There are, much better quality for the back because they're much bigger, but not for the front license plate. If you do come across good quality, especially this on the sticker side, the sticky side that has to go into these spaces. See, this is already coming off. It's just really, the quality is really shit. I have a feeling they're not gonna last long, and I'm hesitant to crazy glue because once you crazy glue, then you have to deal with removing glues later. It's just, it looks okay. I don't know. There we go. I still have this little piece sticking out. Put a little bit of the glue there, but I don't know. You tell me if it looks good. Put a comment at below this at the bottom of the video. And that's pretty much it. This is going to be I don't know, I may just take it off. I don't know how it looks like on the camera, but I'm not too crazy about it. Anyway, have a wonderful Saturday. Like and subscribe. Support the channel, and I will be recording more stuff on the car. And hopefully you guys will see me soon. All right, take care. Peace out. Bye.